Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 16 power x equal 8 power x plus 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So the easiest way to solve this type of problem to convert the base equal. So 16 we can write it as 2 power 4 while 8 we can write it as 2 power 3. So 16 is 2 power 4 whole power x is equals to 2 power 3 whole power x plus 1. Now, as per exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power nm. Now, this becomes 2 power 4x equal 2 power 3x plus 3. Now if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So this becomes 4x equal 3x plus 3. Take the 3x to other side. So it becomes x equal 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.